Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Himanshu and I'm a fragrance influencer. So today we'll talk about best 5 fragrances for summers. Keep watching till the end. A big thanks to all the subscribers. We are finally 5,000 up. Feels great, and this is possible only because of your support, all the loyal subscribers. And yes, I promised to you a giveaway. I'll definitely do a giveaway in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And if you're new, subscribe to the channel. So today I'll feature some of the best summer fragrances. I'm not going to talk about the cheap fragrance. These are going to be 5,000 rupees fragrance and above. This was actually a recent request from one of the subscribers. Actually, not all the fragrances are under 5,000, but mostly you will find it in right about 5,000 to 6,000 rupees price bracket. First fragrance which I'm going to feature is from House of Rasasi Havas. Very recently I came to know that this is not actually a clone of Invictus. This actually came before Invictus, so that was a shocker for me. And I enjoyed this fragrance. I would say this is not my kind of fragrance. I don't like too much of aquatic and marine kind of smells, but this is good. If you want a decant, you can buy it from my website. I'll link down in the description. A good freshie, a good aquatic fragrance with sweeter undertones and a little bit of citrusiness is there also. But the main player is that watery nose, sea aquatic nose. So number 4th spot is going to be Dior Sauvage. You might ask, why am I keeping this lower on the list? Just because this is not in 5,000 rupees. This is much more expensive than that. But I came to know that the price have dropped on this fragrance, the EDT version, at around 7,400 rupees these days for a retail price. Generic, yes. These days people have started wearing this fragrance a lot because of the hype, even in India. If I had to describe this is an ambroxine based fragrance, which is obviously a synthetic compound. Ambergris is the original one that is used in Creed Aventus, but this is like a synthetic compound. It projects really well, beautifully from your skin. So when you will apply it initial 1.5 hours, when the fragrance develops or projects from your skin, so this does really well. More for younger crowd, I would say. Even Rasasi Havas is for younger crowd. Not suggesting this for mature gentlemen. So my recent purchase, and the credit goes to Gaurav from Splash Fragrance, a very good friend of mine. He suggested me this fragrance. This is from Guerlain and this is Habit Rouge. Absolutely amazing, guys. This you should try. Classic smell of 90s. The barbershop kind of smell. And one other fragrance which is quite popular in this category, the barbershop fragrances, is from Chanel Platinum Egoist. This one is totally different, by the way. That is very metallic and floral, and this one and powdery as well. But this one is not powdery. This is like oily. This will definitely bring back your memories of the oils, the hair oil, especially Keocarpine oil. Yes, this smells very close to that oil. Beautiful. You have to put your nose on this. If you wear something unique, you're more likely to get a compliment, as compared to Havas or Sauvage, which are now generic. Every third person wear this kind of colognes. So I would recommend wear Habit Rouge. Number 3 spot. Number 2 spot is from Prada. This is also one of my favorite. This leans towards a little bit of similar genre like Sauvage only, but this is a sweeter version of Sauvage. To me, it smells like floral, sweeter undertones. The fragrance is beautiful, I must say. It's not very long lasting, but this is definitely going to get you a lots of ladies' reaction. The dry down is amazing. So Prada Luna Rosa Carbon is my recommendation, my second recommendation. And number 1 spot, my trophy, Issey Miyake L'Eau de Pour-Homme. This has been there for a long time, from 90s. This is again a classic fragrance, but still after 20 years, magical, guys. Put your nose on this if you haven't tried. Obviously the fragheads who are watching this video have already tried this. If you're growing your collection, if you're new, try this one, Issey Miyake L'Eau de Pour-Homme. This smells like again white floral and citruses. Long lasting compliment, get a unique fragrance. All these which I suggested you, my top 3 one, are unique. So this was my list. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and share this video with your friends. And yes, giveaway will be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.